Alright, so welcome to this training video. In this video, you will learn about why learn Microsoft Dynamics 365, and this is for consultants or working professionals who want to build their career in Dynamics 365. And I'm going to explain you why it's so important and why you should consider learning Microsoft Dynamics 365. So here it is. So it's an enterprise business solution by Microsoft. It is on cloud. It means it's in demand. As you know, everything is moving towards cloud. People don't like to manage huge infrastructures in their companies because there's a lot of cost involved in maintaining that, and there's no security. So companies are moving on cloud and they want to use the solutions which are SaaS-based products. So it's an enterprise business solution by Microsoft and it's a cloud-based solution. And this is one of the best solutions in the market today. So any company who needs to implement enterprise resource solutions or CRM solution, then this is for them. So it's one of the best solutions available in the market today. Of course, the Microsoft focus is on Dynamics 365. So there's a lot of things going on. There are a lot of improvements that are happening in Dynamics 365. And when Microsoft is focusing on Dynamics 365, it means it has potential. And when it has potential, will be more customers, right? And with more customers, they need more partners because Microsoft directly don't implement all the projects, right? So they have Microsoft partners. So to have more customers, they need to have more Microsoft partners. And when Microsoft has more partners, partners would need more consultants so that they can deploy and implement Dynamics 365, right? So now you can see that the consultants are in demand. With Microsoft focus on Dynamics 365, they need to acquire more customers. To acquire more customers, there will be more partners, or partners need more consultants to deploy implementations of Dynamics 365. And with more consultants requirement, if you learn Dynamics 365, then you will be in demand. So I want you to go ahead and learn Microsoft Dynamics 365 because this is going to be huge in the market. So when you learn this, you start implementing projects, you can boost your career growth by helping businesses deploy Microsoft Dynamics 365 for their businesses. So I would highly recommend you go ahead and learn Dynamics 365. In this course, you will learn a lot of things, but there are other things also you need to learn, which I'm going to talk about in the next steps. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.